Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to ban and unban the users. Okay, so guys, ban and unban means like activate and deactivate the account, right? So here is some Om Prakash and person vendor. So if I want to ban these users, so how could we ban? Like they should not be able to log in inside the dashboard, okay, or their home pages like it is. Okay, so for example, I'll just show you. Okay, so here is your logged in, it is telling. Let me log out. So it should show as ban. So once you log in, click on login and login as om@gmail.com 1234567 So he can successfully log in now, but I want to ban him, that he should not be logging in, right? So for that we will just show a message for him. Okay, so guys, let's get started with this to how to ban and unban it. So let me log in as an admin first and then we can proceed with that. So let's log in with @gmail.com 1234567 and login. So once we log in, the dashboard have come, and let's go to registered users. So over there we have completed that role and edit and update role till now, so we can update this also, and we need to add that ban and unban thing, one more thing. Okay, so for that guys, we will start now. Okay, so first thing I just want to show over here in a table that is ban or unban. So let's get started with that. So resource views admin, inside admin you have index blade file. So inside this you are a table. So over here role is there, so I just want to show is ban unban. Okay, so just copy and let's make a column first. First thing, we will go to our database where users, we will click on structure where you can find no column for the ban and unban, right? So see here name, email verification, password, role as, remember. So there is no column, so let's create one column. Okay, so before that we have to update that into our Laravel database user table also. Okay, so don't forget to update with that. So first let us go to database migration user table. User table over here. See here guys, now over here we will just create one table with the tiny integer with the name called is ban. Okay, or not, with the default that will be 0. Okay, if it is 0 he is not banned, if it is 1 he will be banned. Okay, so that means 1 is equal to true. Okay guys, so let us now continue with this. So copy this file and create after the role as. So let us go and update after role as, add a new one line. So click go. Let's add is ban. So you can type tiny int and give the column 4, length 4, and you can just none as defined 0. This is the defined one. Let us save it, and that's it. Column is ready, so you can browse and check. So you can see here 0 0 0, right? So once it is 1, that means the user will be banned. If I set to Om Prakash as 1, he will be banned over there. Okay, so we will be doing that with over here. Okay, once you are going to edit or update. So first thing I will execute over here first and test with that. Before then we will edit and update with it. Okay, so guys, now first step we will go and create a condition first. So guys, now let us close this and let me create this role unban option also, and not here, will tell is ban. That's it. Call, reload the page, you can see is ban is 0, right? So 0 means you can just execute in your own code in if else statement in a simple method, like for example at if else if and if. Copy this, double equal to 0, you can tell not banned. Okay, is equal to 1, banned. So same this thing you can just arrange in one label, right? Give a class py3 to py3 button primary not banned. Same thing you can call over here and just tell banned, and this will be banned means danger. That's it. Okay, let's load. Control R, you can see not banned. Okay, so let's make this same thing, just simple design. We'll call this badge and save. Okay, so not banned it is. Once we make it to 1, it will be banned. Okay, so you can see it is banned now. So guys, we will execute and make a middleware for this and check with it. So let me close everything and arrange it. So in a simple way, we are going to create a middleware. So press Ctrl tilde and create a middleware for it. So guys, let's get started. PHP artisan make colon middleware for user middleware. Okay, hit enter. User middleware created successfully. Let's see inside app. HTTP middleware, user middleware is created now. So guys, you can see that handle is just one statement is over here now. So for this we have things like we have already done with this, so just don't want to waste the time in typing, and I'll just paste and explain you. So see here guys, now I'll just include this, import the class for the auth. Okay, or else you can just type it's included now, and that's it. Okay, so guys, now what we will do, this is checking the condition authentication check, and if the user also status, not status. So I just make this mistake because to understand what it is going on, we have created that called is ban. Okay, so you have to tell is ban, right? And he is equal to 1. If is 1, then log out. Okay, then if the condition is true, show the message your account has been banned, please contact administrator, right? Redirect and login, and you can show over there your account has been banned, and the message goes with this. Status is nothing but your account has been banned, and email also it will show you. Okay, so if the email is authenticated. So right now we are not working with this, just we are showing that user is banned. Okay, so I will just show you, once you create the middleware, you have to register with the kernel. Okay, So let's go to kernel.php inside your HTTP folder. It's over here. So guys, now we will copy and paste the above thing and tell is user and is user app HTTP middleware. Inside middleware we have a user middleware, right? So we'll just copy the class name user middleware and paste it over here. That's it. Save it and close the file. That's it. Your middleware has been registered and you can use this into your routing function, right? So guys, let's go to our route. So let me close this one also and let's go to route web.php. Over here you can see authenticated user is admin, authenticated user is vendor, and you want to access the home page, the authenticated user should be is user. Okay, so for that also we will copy, let's copy this route group middleware, or else if you want to import the class also you can extension thing. That's it. Here guys, so not admin will be there, for this user will be, okay, because we have made the user middleware. So let us go to app http kernel.php. over there we just now we made a user is user. So let's copy that and paste is user. If the user is logged in, so he should go to home controller over there. Okay, to go to home this, he should be authenticated. Okay, so this controller checks what? The user is banned. So let's go to this middleware, user middleware. So where you can find that, see here, so you can find that user middleware is checking some requests that he is banned or not. If he is banned, he will be rejected. Okay, so this is how it works, and let's execute this part and check out. So guys, let me go out and let's log out from the admin side and let's log in as a Om Prakash. Why Om Prakash? We have made Om Prakash as banned 1. Okay, so he is banned over here, right? So for that, om@gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So he's banned, he should be not logging it. So let's check with that what's going to happen. So you see here guys, your account has been banned, please contact administrator. Cool. So guys, we have successfully done with this banned account thing. Okay, so the user has been banned, right? So now we will make the status and change to 0. So we are going to unban him. Okay, let's affect this row and now let us log in as om@gmail.com. He should be able to successfully log into his homepage. So let's log in and you can see that he's successfully logging into his homepage. Okay, what's the error called? Headers. Okay, there's something else, CSRF token. I don't know why it's showing this kind of error. Just solve with this. Okay, we have commented this, so let's just execute. Let's uncomment this and let's execute and see. Okay, working fine. So let me just log out and once again we'll try unbanning it and see without that errors. So let me ban this and mention as 1. He's banned now, and let's log in om@gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let me check the code once again. So we have uncommented this. Okay, so without uncommenting that we will log in and he should not be able to log in because he is banned. Cool, your account has been banned, please contact administrator. That's it guys. So successfully we have done with this, and the same thing you are going to update with the admin side. Okay, that I mean to say this, you are directly accessing over here, right? So this I don't want to do access from here. I just want to make it from admin side, like you are giving a roles for it. Okay, so let's log in as admin. Let's click on registered user, and you can see he's banned now. I want to make unban from here dashboard only. Okay, so let's click on edit and make an option for the ban and unban. Okay, so as current role he is default, and the same thing we can set for that admin or vendor. Okay, so for it, so we will just tell and solve it. Let's get back and let's go over here inside our resource views. Inside this views we will go our admin user edit. Over here you can find the select role thing. So now over here inside select role we will paste the same thing and we'll tell select ban and unban. Okay, same thing you can just call, and you can tell here 0 and 1. This is 0 means unban him. Okay, unban, and here banned. 1 means banned. That's it. Ban now. Done. So same thing you are going to update here is ban. You can just call this class, and we have already done with this role and update in previous video. The link is in description. Okay, so just follow that and we will go to our middleware, I mean controller, and update with it. So registered controller, you can see update this role. Over here only we can call the same thing and tell is ban, right? So if you're following from that previous video, you can check out is ban is over here, and we will call the same thing. Oops, let's go to our edit file. We'll call this is ban and paste over here. So now this is ban is set. Now we will just update this and we'll finish with it. Let me reload the page. Okay, so I want to show that current status of banned or unbanned. So let us go back to our main page, that is index page, where we have set this once. The same thing we'll call it in our edit file. So let's hit enter and call inside F5 over there. Set reload. Oops, undefined variable. Yes, because it is, the variable is not defined. You have to call this roles user role. So let me set that one. This, it's a simple mistake. Let's reload it, and you can see he's banned now. You can tell is ban status. That's it. Cut and paste out. You can find it. Now guys, we will update this and we are going to unban him. Okay, so Om Prakash is going to unban. So let's update it and see the status will change to unban. Cool, not banned, right? So not banned, it is set. You can change it to any other type also. So guys, we have successfully done with this, and I just wanted to tell you one more thing. For the vendor also, same thing you can do with this. So this is for the normal user, we have banned it. So as per our thing, we can just go and do the same copy paste whatever we have done for this. So as you go in middleware, we have created a user middleware, right, and copied this code The same thing you are going to copy for the vendor also. If you want to do the stop the vendor for the request. Okay, so you can paste that same thing, nothing to integrate anything much, copy and paste, and you can normally tell user has been banned. That's it, saved, and you have to call your route. So this middleware is already included in kernel.php, as you know, is vendor, and this is vendor is already called in your route file. Very clear, you can check it over here. So is vendor is already done, so same thing, you can just proceed with it. Okay, so nothing to change, just we have it including into two middlewares. So new user, do not get confused, you can stop with this only. If you are existing for this e-commerce project, then you can use this vendor middleware also for this for the ban purpose, right? Because we have here two options for the vendor and this normal user. If you want for the admin also, please repeat the same process in your admin middleware. That's it, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and will please subscribe, like and share, and in next video we'll be continuing about how to delete and see the online users who is online or offline. Okay, so guys, thank you once again, please watch out next video.